For this demo of the Truepic Vision virtual inspection platform, I'll be walking you through an example site inspection for a small business loan. First, we'll see how the applicant completes the virtual inspection request on their mobile device. Then we'll switch over to the Vision dashboard to show how you as the organization would review the results. We'll start on the applicant side. I'm going to pull up my smartphone and walk you through the experience as if I was the applicant. As you can see on the phone, the applicant received a text message with a link instructing them to complete a virtual inspection. From the text message, they can simply click on the link, accept the terms, and get started immediately. No login or account setup is required. The logo and colors are also fully configurable to match your brand, so the experience for your customers is consistent and familiar. Now you can see the specific items included in the inspection request. These are also fully customizable. You can choose from photo or video submissions, as well as collecting additional information through short answer or multiple choice questions. Let's start with the first request. Take a photo of business signage. I click in and it opens the camera and I can take the picture. Moving on to the next request, documenting current inventory. So for this one, let's say that the applicant doesn't actually have the inventory at their office, or maybe at all. So they decide to take a shortcut and take a picture of similar inventory that they found on Google. Once I've completed all the questions and photo requests, I hit Finish Inspection and I'm all done. Across all of Truepic's customers, the median time we see it takes to complete inspection is just about 10 minutes. Now let's switch over to the Vision dashboard to see the results from the inspection. So first on the left there, you can see the exact location where the inspection was completed, the exact location where I took those photos. First thing that is flagged is that the photos were not taken at the address listed on the application, which may indicate an issue. Now moving over to the photo submissions. So as I was taking the photos during the inspection, Truepic Vision was running over 35 fraud prevention and detection tests, both on the device I was using and on the photos that were taken. So it's verifying the device is secure, hasn't been jailbroken or tampered with in any way, which could then mean that the images were tampered with. It's also checking to make sure that no location spoofing apps were used, because those could alter where it would appear that the images were taken. And as you can see, those are all clear. Taking a closer look at the information about each image, in addition to the exact location, each also has the exact date and time that the photo was captured, and providing additional assurance that the images are authentic and tied to this specific inspection request. Now let's look at the photo I took of the jewelry on my computer screen. So Truepic Vision flagged this image as being both recaptured from a computer screen and has been taken from the internet in a reverse image search. So it makes it really easy for you to kind of quickly find any inauthentic images or ones that may misrepresent the inspection. This is just a glimpse of what you can do with Truepic Vision. To learn how Vision can be customized to your needs and workflows, contact us to schedule a more in-depth demo.